Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road Center Stubby Bumper for Toyota's 2016 and up Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's hood and with a 10mm socket, remove the two screws from the top grille brackets. Next, with a screwdriver, remove the two push clips just inside the grille, followed by disconnecting your parking sensor. Gently remove the grille. Step 2. Remove the two remaining push clips from the air dams and pull them out. Next, gently pull at and remove the lower plastic bumper, followed by pulling its support piece by pushing its clips down. Step 3. Begin removing the bumper valence with an air saw or similar, as shown. With the space now clear, with a 14mm socket, begin removing the 6 nuts securing the aluminum crossmember. And pull it away. Step 4. With a marker, follow the body crease and mark your cut line. With your air saw, begin cutting around the crease and remove the trim. With the included rubber edging, follow the trim line and cover the cut lines. Step 5. With a 12mm socket, remove the two steering cooler bracket bolts. And gently pull the cooler up. With an 11mm socket, remove the 4 bolts retaining your skid plate. And pull it down. With the included bolt, washers, and nut, secure the driver's side cooler bracket to the shown bracket just behind it with an 11mm wrench. On the opposite side, follow the cooler tubes and gently move them backwards, providing space for your winch. Finally, re-secure your skid plate. Step 6. If you wish to install a winch and cube legs, you will need to do so prior to installing the bumper. The winch plate offers 2 sets of holes to use, depending on the size requirements of your winch. Lift the bumper into the opening and onto the factory frame studs, and secure it with the 6 factory nuts with a 14mm socket. Finally, begin reassembling your vehicle. And you're done.